Hi guys, hope all is well. I'm just going to do a video about what I've been looking at so far this week. I do want to leave it a little bit just to see how things played out. But let's go from here. So, US 30 took a loss here, minus 0.5%. That's fine. Was looking for a buy off this 15-minute. We just missed that, so this order can now be deleted. Potentially looking for some shorts off of this 5-minute here, which has actually just been triggered. And overall, we are bearish. So I do want to see if price can just continue with this momentum lower. If not, I do think we could run out this high and just have one more pop up into this hourly zone, into here. And then actually start continuing back down a little bit further. So that is what I'm looking for US 30. I can now delete this because this is now invalid. So I am looking for overall shorts just because we are high time frame bearish. I am slightly in profit on this pair, not a massive amount, but I am slightly. It says it isn't actually triggered, but I usually put my orders just a little bit lower, just so when things like this happen, they actually do get triggered. NAS was potentially looking at getting in off a 1 minute off this London Open. I didn't, just because it wasn't really too clean. If price does start breaking down lower, then I will potentially look to get in some sort of a position. But for the time being, I'm just going to sit and wait. I do think we could potentially have one more rundown and then actually come in and take out this high on the 4-hourly, right? The 50%. I've spoke about this. We've got a nice 4-hour supply zone, which I could potentially see get met. But for the time being, again, I am just going to sit on my hands and wait. If we do get some further downsides, that would be nice. But I am, again, just going to sit on my hands and wait a little bit on this. AU took a couple losses. That's fine. Took 0.5% loss here, and then I took another 0.5% loss at this 30% at this 30-minute demand here. That's fine. Now I am looking for, I did have an order which just got triggered, just got missed last night around 6 a.m. So I had one here that just got missed. And I also am looking for an off this hourly zone. We are now breaking structures. So I do want to see a pullback and then short. We did have a 5-minute supply zone here, which did actually get invalidated. So now I am kind of looking for that pullback and then potentially that continuation short. So looking for an area off here. So I'm looking for this zone. If price does want to push up a little bit more, then I do have this zone here. But overall, I am kind of just looking for this hourly pullback. And then those continuations, you can see our EMAs are crossing 50 is over above price, so that's like a nice little indication. And then standard procedures, I'm just kind of looking for this Asian low to eventually get run. So that is AU. So let's kind of see what happens with this. Euro, USD, I'm not in a position on this. I know it says I'm here, but I'm actually not. I did want to see if we could get one more run. But with the dollar looking quite strong at the moment, I do think that we could potentially just roll over, kind of like AU, and then kind of get some short moves from here. So I'm going to sit my hands on this. Euro, GBP, again, still waiting for potentially 2 levels. I do favor this level a little bit more, just because we have this big kind of sell to buy, buy to sell movement, and we do have some highs here. So could potentially see something like this. We did slightly run out this low going into London, but with that in mind, we are kind of still bearish. So I do want to just keep an eye on these 2 levels. GA is really, really good one. Really, really simple, really, really basic. We had this demand. We have our high, high, low, higher, high with this move here, higher, low, higher, high. This is the zone that came in and swept and tested. We came in, we tested last night, there was news, and then we just kind of popped up. And I did say that I was looking for that psychological level, 85,000 to be met. So we are literally just about to breach this probably at the moment. So if you guys got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away. So far, this is all I'm looking at. If you guys need any help with anything, please don't hesitate to ask. I am going to be kind of active for the day. So if anyone's got any questions about things, then please do let me know. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good trading day. Make sure you use good risk management, and we'll catch up again soon. All right, guys.